We're the Houston Sisters.
Hey there, welcome back to Cooking with the Houston Sisters. So today I am making my Southern 5-cheese baked macaroni and cheese. And of course we gotta start out with boiling our noodles, and we gotta make sure they're seasoned, y'all. For this recipe I use the large elbow noodles. These are my favorite because I like for that cheese and that good old cheese sauce to sit inside the noodles. So thank you so much for coming back to our channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Make sure you stay tuned, make sure you share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you throughout the video. Alright y'all, in this next clip you're gonna see me starting out making my cheese sauce for my macaroni. I love a good cheese sauce with my macaroni, and I love to make my macaroni different types of ways. So you all will see several videos of me making macaroni and cheese. And make sure you check out our website, www.houstonsisters.com. We also have a blog, so make sure you comment if you've tried our recipes. Make sure you comment and let us know how it tried out. Comment on YouTube as well. You can also follow us on Instagram, so check the description below for all our information. Keep watching, y'all. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Okay, now that my sauce is complete, I'm going to go ahead and add it to those noodles. I'm also going to add just a little bit extra milk just to thin it out a little bit. Just want to make sure that it's covered the noodles, and then I'm going to add the rest of that cheese, and I'll be right back. right, y'all, here's the first one. It had a little bit extra liquid, so I had to leave it in there a little bit longer. And here's the second one. Both taste the same and absolutely yummy. And this is the one that I use to plate my food. And once I plated my food, I also cooked some fried chicken to go along with this. So if you love fried chicken like I do, make sure you check out my recipe. I also have a video for this as well, for the chicken as well. So make sure you guys check it out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Go ahead and click that notification bell so that you can receive your notifications for our upcoming videos. And make sure you check out our website/blog at www.houstonsisters.com. That's HUSTON sisters.com. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.